Well, we did actually make out. That is hardcore tea. Really?
That's the first time ever hearing this.
Why are we doing this? Can we not do this? Like. What is up, my schnitzels? I hope you're having an amazing day and an amazing week, and I hope everything is going swell. I have currently 2 dogs in my house right now. This is Jet. Jet, say hi. Hanale. Oh. Today we're doing a mukbang. Mukbang. I figured for my first mukbang, I would bring in one of my very, very besties, Ben.
What's up, guys?
Figured for my very first mukbang, I would make whatever food we ate. Today I made this amazing vegan pizza. Look at this pizza, guys.
I'm so hungry and ready to eat.
Me too. Guys, this pizza has crispy dough, 3 different types of vegan cheeses. We've got mozzarella, we've got ricotta, garlic herb. We have tomatoes, spinach, tons of different spices.
I normally just get pepperoni. This, on the other hand, looks exquisite and amazing.
We asked you guys on Instagram to ask us questions.
Not just questions. Juicy questions. Stuff that you guys want to know.
We're gonna spill all the tea in this video.
Oh gosh.
Not all the tea.
Not all the tea. I don't know about you, but I'm gonna be truthful.
I'm gonna be truthful.
I'm scared, guys.
Let's get this video to 100K likes.
Smash it up, guys.
Smash it up.
If it hits 100K, I'll eat 5 of these pizzas.
I'm gonna eat 5
for an Instagram story.
If you're eating along with us, let us know what you're eating, and let's get into the questions.
Guys, I'm going for first bites right now. Ava's a bomb cook.
You like it?
It's so good. I feel like it's gonna be all over my face by the end of this video.
All right, let's get into questions. O2 asks, how's your love life going?
Whoa! First question. Off the bat. Love life in the past, not so great.
Yeah.
Recently, it's been good. I'm doing amazing.
Oh.
I cannot complain.
Amazing.
So, how is your love life?
Yeah. It's going good. I don't really want to say too much.
How nice is it?
It's nice to have someone to always be there for you. FaceTime you and like talk.
Oh wow. I'm not gonna ask who, but
that's fine. I'm gonna leave it at that.
You're lucky.
We're both lucky.
We're both lucky.
Oh my gosh, Ben, you married Lexi and I married Brent. Are we siblings?
Yo! Guys.
You'll be my brother.
Brother-in-law. No in-law, just straight siblings.
Oh my god. Oh. And there's the pizza. Oh my god.
The camera might have just exploded, but we're back.
We are back.
Dude.
What is your favorite color? Asks Sarah Nazmi.
It's been blue for my entire life. It has never changed. How about you?
I thought you were gonna like change it. Like, but now.
But now.
It's still blue.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color, oh geez, maybe like orange. I've been liking orange lately.
I see you wearing orange lately.
Selena Gomez Ali asks if he, so this question is probably for you, if he had to stop filming with one friend forever, who would it be?
Yo, putting me on the spot here.
That is on the spot.
I honestly, I have no answer. I could never answer that. Like, I love all my friends so much. Not filming with one of them for the rest of my life, I feel like that just messed everything up. Like, that would suck. Yeah. So, to answer your question, no one.
We love everyone.
We love everyone.
There's no tea in our friends.
No, there's no like, I wish this, I wish that upon someone. It's all love.
Emily G1279 asks, would you ever date Ava without letting Brent know?
You might not know this, guys. That's already happening.
Yeah. Ben and I are here to tell you, Brent.
This is our video that we're announcing our engagement. That's all jokes, guys. I would never do that to Brent. It wouldn't even happen. That's not even like a discussion to have.
Brent's probably like getting his baseball bat ready.
He's getting the broom ready, guys.
Oh my god, the broom.
Not the broom.
I feel like Brent should make merch with like a broom on it.
I thought about it, Loki. Comment down below. Would you buy a shirt with a broom on it?
I would, because I know the context. How long have you and Ben been friends?
Dude, a long time.
Dude.
Before any of the friends that I have right now.
I knew Ben like a year before he knew Brent.
It's been 3 years. Summer of 2016.
Wow.
Is when we met.
We met in Hawaii. We were surfing. And then, didn't you let me borrow like your longboards?
Yeah, I let them borrow my surfboards. I hung out with them for like a few days, I think.
We went to the rock.
Yeah. And then funny it happens. I'm friends with Brent now. And then Ava's friends with Brent. So like, it just kind of like.
It all came together.
All came back. But like the way we met was honestly so random. I had no intentions to like.
Ever do social media.
Ever do make videos. I was just surfing at my local surf spot with my just friends that lived there. And then boom, here we are 3 years later.
Ben Azalarter asks, what would be a place that you both would like to go next?
You've been everywhere.
No. I want to go to Belize.
I would love to go to Belize. I know you've been here before, but I would love to go to Greece. Mykonos or whatever you went, Santorini. One of those cool places.
Both. They're awesome. I would go, like, back.
Yeah, that's been like bucket list forever.
Some of your questions are so savage. Have you ever had a crush on each other? Ben is my baby Ben.
I would have to say...
Have you ever had a crush on me?
No.
Aww.
But that does not mean that I don't think that you're an amazing person.
That's true.
The best friendship feelings are there, but like the feelings are not there. I don't know how to put it in like the nicest way that like...
Someone's gonna take that, cut it, and then like send it to like they're not crushed.
Oh my gosh.
Someone's gonna cut that.
That's gonna be like a text post. Send this to someone that likes you.
Oh.
I'm gonna be like hated worldwide. The best friendship feelings are there, but like the feelings are not there.
You're the kid that my crush sent me the video of.
I feel so sad.
If you had to save Lexi, Brent, or me, who would you save? That's a good question. Oh, I know my answer.
I mean, it'd be Brent for you.
Absolutely.
Obviously. That's so hard. Yo.
Well, I know it's not gonna be me because Lexi's your girl. Wait. But, okay, say it's like a kidnapping situation. If you save Brent, you can work together with Brent to get back Lexi.
Boom.
But then what about me?
We'll come back, call the cops, and get you.
Come back, just to be with Lexi.
Moral of the story. I can't really pick.
What is the weirdest place you've ever made out with someone?
I'm gonna have to think about this for a second, but I know I have an amazing answer. I'll list like three of the weirdest places.
Okay, I can't even think of one.
Made out isn't like made out, right?
Well, I mean, like kissed? I don't know.
Not just like
I would say that counts. Like, how often are you just randomly kissing people?
in the ocean at like 1 a.m.
Oh.
That's pretty dope, I'm not gonna lie. In the backseat of an Uber.
Ew.
Don't judge, alright?
Crusty.
This is like
Uber driver.
past
Okay.
times. In line at Six Flags. All the crusty places.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever made out with anyone at an amusement park.
Sometimes, you know, you're just a little excited.
Who's your celeb crush?
They're pretty basic. Obviously, I think Ariana Grande is like gorgeous. Dream girl. I also think Billie Eilish is low-key like it.
Interesting.
That's about it.
Mine used to be young Leonardo DiCaprio. I kind of grown out of that one.
That's someone's at one point.
Now, maybe like Tom Holland. I would really like to meet Tom Holland.
If you're watching this.
He's not. Is Brent as innocent as he seems on social media, or is it an act? That's an interesting question.
This person went deep.
I would argue that it's both.
I would say he's the same. When I watch one of Brent's videos, I see Brent. I don't like see like, who is this guy? Like, I think he's genuine in his videos, and it's really like him, and he's that funny in person, and he makes those jokes in person.
No, that is true. It's definitely Brent, but like there's more layers to Brent than the eye can see.
That's all you.
What is the funniest thing you did as a child? Well, I know what the weirdest thing I did as a child was.
Oh my god, that's explicit.
What? What would you do as a child? Mine involves pee and poop.
I was gonna say mine involves poop.
What is it?
Tell yours first.
Okay. When
Oh,
I was
God.
a kid, I had a sandbox in the backyard, and I used to take like you know, like the pails that you would use to make like sandcastles.
Yeah.
I would pee in them in the bathroom,
Pee in the pail?
and then I would walk out with my pee in the bucket and I'd throw it in the sandbox.
You're like a wild animal.
And then one time I did it with poop,
Dig a hole and just bury
and
it.
I buried my poop in the sandbox.
That's...
Mine is like, what is yours? Is it worse or?
It's accidental. Yours is deliberately doing something. I used to have a skate ramp. My friend fell off the backside of the skate ramp, which is gnarly. Like, it was so funny. He like landed on his neck. I don't know why I was laughing insanely hard to the point where I pooped my pants. And it's not over yet. Went from where it came from, down my leg, and into my shoe. I had to get new shoes.
Ew.
Guys, keep in mind, I was probably 7 years old.
Okay.
Does not happen recently.
If you could pick where you were born, where would you pick and why? It's interesting. Were you born in Hawaii?
The thing is, I moved to Hawaii when I was 2 years old, lived there for 13 years, but I can't really say I'm born in Hawaii.
No.
Even though I grew up my whole life there, I have all my memories there, I just can't say I'm really born there. So I would say I want to choose being born there so I can say it.
I would like to be born in Hawaii, but Orange County's pretty cool. What is the first thing you would do if you woke up one day and you were the opposite sex? Viva28 asks.
You can go first.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie, like, I'd check things out, you know?
You'd see what's down there. I would too.
I'd do a little investigating.
Yeah, I'd see what is it all about? But if I was a girl really for like a day, I would do the most absolutely girly things.
Like what?
Hair done, wear a bikini, blow dry my hair, wash my hair. I do that on the regular, but I don't have long enough hair to experience it.
Yeah, that's true. If I was a guy, I would probably dress really cool. Like I'd go out and buy like a cool outfit that
You could be shirtless.
I would go to the beach and take my shirt off. What type of guys / girls do you like? What's your type? Funny, smart, can roast me and like can take a joke and can like make jokes, has goals. Someone that does something purpose. They're not just like floating around doing literally nothing.
I'd say someone that's like that makes you want to laugh and be like a better person. Someone that obviously you can joke around with, be like your complete self. Because I think like the most important thing is being able to like literally be yourself and not hold anything back. Then you're just constantly living with like a fear of hiding something.
Yeah. Do you approve Brava?
Do I approve Brava? 1000%. I approve. Everything that's ever been Brava, I've enjoyed. Every video, every picture, every like real life moment, I've enjoyed. So I approve.
Brent was supposed to FaceTime me back. Hi, Brent. We're filming. We ate pizza that I made.
It's Ava
Is
pizza.
it vegan pizza?
Mm-hmm.
Ava pizza. That's fire.
Look at Hanalei.
Sit on my lap.
Do you have anything that you want to say to the world?
Oh shoot, I'm on camera? Oh shoot, hold on. Hey guys, what's up? Not really doing much right now, just kind of hanging out.
Oh, Hanalei. Look, it's Becker.
Becker is not old. Becker is immortal.
Have a safe flight tomorrow, honey.
Thank you.
I love you.
Do you like honey?
No.
No? I love honey.
Okay, bye, Brent.
Bye.
I love you.
He hung up. First kiss story. It was actually in the ocean. That's like what that's where that came from. Was my soon-to-be girlfriend at the time.
Wow.
It was before we were dating. 13 years old. 1 a.m. I had never kissed anyone. I don't think she had either. We kissed and like all I felt was like braces and like it was awesome.
Did you feel butterflies?
I was so happy. Like I kept lying to my friends. I kept extending it out. They're like, how long was it? I was like, maybe 3 seconds. And then someone would ask me again. I was like, you know what? Maybe it was 5 seconds. I just kept making it sound longer to like hype myself up.
Yeah.
Because it was low-key like 2 seconds. But I wanted it to be like that 5-10 second kiss.
Yeah.
But it never happened.
Damn.
How about you?
I've actually never had my first kiss.
I've never even made eye contact with a female in my life. Who's getting their first kiss right now?
Jet. My first kiss was with this gross guy named...
Name. Let's drop
Let's
his
get a name
address,
down.
name, social security.
I was about to, but I was like, wait, let's chill. He was such a bad kisser, and I felt like I was kissing a dog, and he kissed me in a jacuzzi, and then I didn't leave my house for 3 weeks because I didn't want to see him because I was like, that was so gross. My phone died. Ben, do you have any questions?
Oh, I have some good questions.
Oh, really?
Some juice.
Okay.
Out of the guys you might have dated, how many did you break up with and how many broke up with you?
That's a good question.
What's the ratio here?
My first relationship was with a guy that was gay, and I was in love with him, and he broke up with me because he was gay.
Yeah.
But he didn't tell me that until we were like in college. And it was always he'd break up with me and he'd be like, it's not you, it's me, like trust me, like you'll find out someday. And I was like, shut up, like that's what everyone says when like it's not you, it's me, you know? But like it really was. He was just gay. And he told me later, he was like, yeah, like I just didn't know how to tell you like that I wanted to just be your gay best friend, not your girlfriend. And I was like, that's so sweet.
Are you guys still friends?
Yeah, we're friends.
I love that.
Second relationship, I broke up with him, but it took me a year and a half, way too long. And then when I broke up with him, he like kind of went crazy and like still is a little crazy. My next relationship, we mutually broke up because we just drifted apart because it just wasn't.
It wasn't it.
It wasn't it, but I wanted it to be it, but it wasn't it. Then there was that which I broke up with him many times. And then there was Adam. And Adam, it was kind of like a mixture of both. Like we both were just having issues.
I
What
think
about you?
for me, got broken up with twice, broke up once. I broke up with someone once.
Yeah.
I was so young for like all of my like relationships that like I wasn't like in love, you know? It's like,
Yeah.
but it happens. What is the most amount of people that you kissed in a 24-hour span?
That's a good question. I'd say like 2. Maybe 3. Maybe 3 once, but I don't remember.
I could say 3 once.
So what's your answer?
Yeah, 3 once. All knowingly.
Wait.
It wasn't nothing like, I wasn't playing with any feelings. It was like, I think it was like a dare. Like a what are the odds?
Oh, I totally
And-
forgot about girls. Okay, I've had like 4.
4 girls. And that's the T. So I'd say 3, but all in a respective manner. No one was being manipulated. It was all fun and games. And everyone is still friends.
Same. How many girls were the most girls you were talking to at once?
back in the day, I was like, hey, I've been single for a while. I might just mess around and talk to a few girls and see what's up. So I'd say about like very low key though. Like it wasn't like talking.
No, yeah, it wasn't.
No, we weren't like dating. I just like maybe hit up 5 girls back in the day just to see like what's up, you know, like.
What is the weirdest thing you've come across on the internet?
There's a lot of weird stuff on the internet.
One time I was doing research on the deep web.
How do you go on the deep web?
But one time I was doing research on the deep web and I found a live webcam category titled YouTubers. I didn't click on it.
What would it have been? Just on their computer screens, just staring at them? That's so scary.
I know. Yep.
I can't sleep at night now. I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna put tape over my thing on my computer.
I think I should too.
That's so scary.
I know.
Oh my god.
Comment your thoughts down below on that one.
They're just gonna see a blank face.
There's gonna be me like online shopping.
That is.
Well. It is now close to midnight.
We both have to wake up super early.
I was thinking about this today. I feel like we need a name for like our squad.
The fam name. Comment down below. A squad name.
It is now midnight, so I think we're gonna end the video here. As you can tell, my energy is low. I'm like so chilled out.
I'm in a food coma. I don't know about you. I just had so much food that I'm at a loss of words.
So that is it for this vegan mukbang. My very first mukbang.
I had a good time. I really enjoyed this.
My whole mind is like slow right now. I just want to hunker into bed.
How am I gonna drive home just so like food coma'd? I'm gonna be snuggling on the steering wheel. Just kidding, I'm safe.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want the recipe to what I made, I'll put it in the description box below. Here's a picture, the food that I made. Give this video a big thumbs up. Go head over to Ben's channel and hit subscribe. He makes videos too, they're really good.
Thank you.
So go subscribe. Other than that, I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys next week.
Love you guys.
Bye. Hi, I'm Ava, and that hottie rowing my boat, that's my boyfriend Cody. Isn't this so romantic?
I think maybe we need to break up.
Let me try that again. Apparently, that's my ex-boyfriend. And this is how to survive a breakup. So the first rule to surviving a breakup, you have to let out all of your sadness.
You want my real, honest advice? You're better off without it. Ava.
Looks great, Zoe.
Didn't know you could see me through all that stalking.
Who's Psychic Girl 98?
It's Emma. The Emma. And Emma likes astrology, sunsets, and her milk of choice is rice.
I don't know if I should be impressed or terrified.
They're definitely more than friends, so what else did he lie about? Actually, maybe you could help.
Let me guess. You want me to help you wiretap Cody's apartment?
God, that's so much better than my idea.
No, I was joking.
I mean, at this point, I'd go on a date with pretty much anyone.
Romantic comedies are lies. That's why I prefer dark, psychosexual thrillers.
It's a roller coaster. And when you lose control, you take it back. Some days you're mad, other days you're sad or a little bit crazy. God, I'm so stupid! Or you think you've moved on. A breakup doesn't have to be a bad thing. It's your chance to become a better version of yourself so that ultimately you get all the good you deserve. He said that he dumped me. Let the record show. In the end, everyone, I took the final dump, okay? I did the final. Never mind.